Hello, this is tutorial how to install WordPress on temporary URLs. Okay, let's start. As you can see, I'm logged in my control panel. Let's roll down to domain names and click on domains. Okay, let's create new domain. Let's call it new domain 3. New domain 3.com. Okay, domain has been added. As you can see, by default, data folder for each new domain is public HTML. You will need to change that every time you install new domain. Okay, let's rename our data folder, and remember to rename your data folders as close to possible to your domain names. In this case, we will name it new domain 3. Okay, let's update. Okay, data folder has been updated. Here you can read a little bit of info about data folders. Now we proceed to install WordPress. Roll down. Here's WordPress installation. Okay. Okay, let's choose our preferred domain, which one we want to use for our WordPress installation. In this case, it's new domain 3. Directory is only optional. You don't need to type anything there. Now click on install WordPress and let's wait while it installs. Okay, WordPress has been successfully installed. As you can see, here we have two addresses. First one is not active yet. That's a domain name. You will need to change server names to activate it. But first, you have this one. This is temporary URL. You can install WordPress here. You can continue with your WordPress installation and start editing your website. Okay, let's start. Okay, here we can see WordPress installation has been started. We can choose which language we want. Let's set to English United States. Continue. Okay, now we see screen and WordPress installation asks for us to fill information. Now you type your info and continue with installing WordPress. Okay, hope this tutorial helped. Thank you. Bye.